Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Get Assist. Today we are here to have an overview regarding the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G, a phone that is not just stunning in inside but the looks are stunning as well on the outside. Let's break down why this beauty is making waves under the 25k budget segment. So let's get started. Very first, let's talk about the looks because first impression always matters. The Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G is super slim, flat-edged and comes with a matte glass back that feels premium. The camera module is minimal yet eye-catching. It's looked like a flagship but costs way less. It's also lightweight and comfortable to hold. That is perfect for one-hand use. Now look at the screen. A big, bold 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution. Colors are super vibrant, blacks are deep, and the brightness is more than enough under sunlight. The 120Hz refresh rates means the scrolling, swiping, gaming, and with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, it's built to handle everyday bumps. Now let's talk about the features and performance of this smartphone. Inside, you are getting the Snapdragon 7S Generation 2 processor, which is great for day-to-day use, gaming, or multitasking. Pair that up with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, and you are all set for use. It's running on MIUI based on Android 13 with loads of customization features in display fingerprint, dual stereo speakers, IR blaster. It's loaded. Let's have a look at the camera and the battery. This phone packs a 200 megapixel main camera with OIS. The photos are sharp, stable and detailed even in daylight. The 16 megapixel front camera is great for selfies and video calls. And the 5100 mAh battery, it easily lasts up to a day. Just top it off with 67 watt fast charging and you are good to go in an hour. So to sum it up, the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G not just performs well, it looks and feels amazing too. Premium design, stunning display, solid performance and loaded features, all at a budget-friendly price. If design and display matter to you, this smartphone is exclusively for you. If you found this video and overview helpful, do like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to comment below that which feature you are more impressed about. And I will see you in the next one.